But there's a story I haven't told him. I thought this is a great time. This is a shorty. A great time to tell this story that no one knows.
To eat these jalapeno poppers, you have to have a carrot with hummus ready so you don't die.
A lot of great effort.
Daddy! 8, 99, 10. Wait, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3.
The winner!
Like a rhinestone cowboy, riding out on a horse in a star-spangled rodeo. Like a rhinestone cowboy. Always had a roof above me, always paid the rent. And I never set foot inside a tent. I could build a fire to save my life. I lied about being the outdoor type. Never slept out underneath the stars. The closest that I came to that was one time my car broke down for an hour in the suburbs at night. I lied about being the outdoor type. Let you know you knew what you were looking for. I lied until I fit the bill. God bless the great indoors. I lied about being the outdoor type. I never owned a sleeping bag, let alone a mountain bike. I can't go away with you on a rock climbing weekend. What if something's on TV and it's never shown again? It's just as well I'm not invited. I'm afraid of heights. I lied about being the outdoor type. I never learned to swim, can't grow a beard or even fight. I lied about being the outdoor type.
He's always making fun of me because he bought me these really nice pair and I never bring them. He's like, it'd be really great if we had some binoculars.
I know, right?
Yeah, I know, I never bring them.
I know.
Grandpa over here! Grandpa, do you hear me? It was so fun climbing up here.
Was it? It was.
Yeah. We climbed from there all the way to here.
Kind of flew past 9 miles and then I saw Jenny and Brett and Vanessa and I was like, maybe I should slow down a little bit.
Different sage.
Yeah. Smells good.
It smells so good.
Artemisia tridentata.
Cilindro puncha. I don't know what kind. There's a lot of different varieties, but this looks really different from that one.
Yeah.
Which looks really different from that
one.
So it's got those big, gnarly thorns.
Yeah. So they're all just hybridized?
Well, I think there's probably at least 3 species of it.
This is so great. The texture on this one is so different. The texture is so flat over there, or seems much flatter, and this is all...
are proud and give thanks. Now our branches grow strong, in twine we belong. Give 3 cheers for our family.
Thanks, Jenny.
On your mark, get set, go!
Familiar highways lined with leaves turn brown, making my way back into my hometown. Funny how this all looks different, but it feels the same. Like how life never stops changing, but some things never change. So fill your plate and fill your drink, and fill this house with family, the kind of love that all these years can't wash away. Cause the older that I get, I see that life is short and bittersweet. Thank God for this Thanksgiving Day. Watching football, watching families grow. The old kids' table all have kids of their own. Starting to see my grandfather in my nephew's eyes. Mom still can't talk about him, and I'd almost cry. So fill your plate and fill your drink, and fill this house with family, the kind of love 1,000 miles can't wash away. Cause the older that I get, I see that life is short and bittersweet. Thank God for this Thanksgiving Day.
Can't go wrong with bacon and cheese.
Alright, I need your husband.
To me, it seemed like 6 feet tall exercise ball that comes rolling out of the darkness.
So fill your plate and fill your drink, put your dishes in the kitchen sink, and let the leftover year just wash away. As we made it through, I do believe, the longest year in history. Thank God that it's Thanksgiving Day.
Don't mind the rain. Smile can hide all the pain. Rhinestone cowboy, riding down on a horse in the snow. Offers coming over the phone.
I know the thing you should turn down.
Said a broken heart, don't leave a scar. I keep it to myself and I keep my head up though it's hard. All these things take a little time.
Yeah, money does you inside.
got that boom boom that all the boys chase. All the right junk in all the right places. You know I won't be no stick figure settler, gonna buy the dog. So if that's what you're into, then go ahead and move along. Because I'm all about that bass, no treble. I'm all about that bass, no treble. I'm all about that bass, no treble. I'm all about that bass.
And you're looking so much lighter. You got that dead weight dragging on. Well, I can't go away with you on a rock climbing weekend. What if something's on TV and it's never shown again? Just as well I'm not invited. I'm afraid of heights. I lied about being the outdoor type. Miles and patches of desert clover, looking on the rocks and over you can call me the lizard king. Yeah, you can call me the lizard king. Halsey with your sapphire eyes and your charcoal lines, your fine ornament kings. Yes, Halsey with your sapphire eyes and your charcoal lines, make this last like evergreens. All the other girls here are stars, you are the golden light. Drive you back home, Kathleen. If the party was made with the night and a chance of a smile, I won't be your last, it's just your last good night. Every party is a night, we're looking at someone else, I'll be the one. It's full of charts and facts and figures and instructions for dancing. I love it when you reach me. The book of love has music in it. In fact, that's where music comes from. Some of it is just transcendental. Some of it is just really down.
Here, last night when I was driving home from the hot tub, I said, this was a perfect day. This was a perfect day. I got to sleep in. We went on a hike to a beautiful place, and I spent the day with the people I love the most. And I thought, that is a perfect day. This couldn't be better. So it's so nice to share that with you. I'm glad you're here.